Oh, come on, baby, baby. Come on, baby. Hey, honey, have you seen where my coffee went?
It's right behind you.
Oh, okay. Dance, dance, dance the night away. All right, should we get started?
Yeah, whenever you're ready.
Okay. Okay, hey, BOOZHOO! And welcome back to the show. Welcome back to BOOZHOO, Not a BOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. My name is Nana BOOZHOO Nindigenous. Nana BOOZHOO is my name. And over here, of course, as always, the lovely and the talented Natasha. Good on, BOOZHOO, sweetie. Why don't you say hello to these people?
Ikadon, for crying out loud. BOOZHOO, Gakina. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the show.
And today, what do you think we should do for an Ojibwe word of the day?
Oh, I don't know. Does it really matter?
I don't know if it really matters. You know what? We got the sage out here. We got the Bushkode Jibik. We got some, we could just Nuquasia gun. We could smudge with the Bushkode Jibik. Make them the Ojibwe words of the day. We could say a prayer to Gitchimanadu, an Anama A prayer. I don't know. All right, I'm too wound up. Let me just relax. Okay, how you guys doing? I was thinking about doing a live stream, but that's so risky because, just like right now, I have not much to say. And I might just turn this into a video anyway. I don't know. All right, let me just... Okay, hey. BOOZHOO Kitchimanadu. Just want to say, miigwech. Okay, here we go. Ga iji for thee. Ga iji. Miigwech ga iji. Gakina gegu. Thank you for everything. All right, yeah, let's make that the Ojibwe word. Gakina gegu. Everything. Oh, hey, Kitchimanadu, thank you for everything. Where's my feather? Here we go. So if you wanna, this will be just a quick, easy Ojibwe for a quick prayer. If you're out in the woods and you want to put down some tobacco, you can just say, Gitchimanadu, Great Spirit. Odapanaman Niwi Asema, accept my tobacco. And miigwech kakina gegu. Miigwech, I did this wrong. Miigwech ga iji kakina gegu. All right, let's trim that. You would just say, miigwech Gitchimanadu. Miigwech ga iji kakina gegu. Thank you for everything. Miigwech ga iji kakina gegu. Thank you for everything. Miigwech pizandawayeg. Thank you for listening. And all right, maybe that's enough. I don't know. We gotta plan these better. Anyway, just want to say, miigwech bizendawayeg. Thank you for listening. Miigwech, what is it? Gawabi yeg. Gawabi yeg. Thank you for watching BOOZHOO, not a BOOZHOO, a podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am not a BOOZHOO. This is Natasha. This was a weird episode. I'm not very scripted. So let's just leave it with this. How about this one, honey? This song is by Michael Lyons, and we cover it, and it's called, what's this song called?
No time.
All right, No Time. Maybe that's good enough for a show. All right, talk to you later. Kiga min, minowa, hawa.
I got no time and I don't know why. I got no time and you don't know why. I don't know why, but I don't feel right. I don't feel right. I don't feel the same way today. Today, I don't feel the same way today.
you want to learn Ojibwe language and culture, you've come to the right place. Need you to learn about it all. Welcome to BOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language.